Really?
Back up.
Okay. Hey, what do you say, Raj? Thank you, Roger. Roger,
Oops.
look at me.
Hi.
You are the best guy in the whole world.
No, I'm not.
You are. You are awesome. Don't you love Roger, Mommy? Hasn't he been the most wonderful host in the whole world?
Oh, he is fantastic.
I picked on her too much.
Isn't he?
Yes.
He's so wonderful.
Is.
It's been a pleasure.
It has.
It's been so much fun. And Bubby says, I have been so honored to be. Oh, there he leaves now when I start recording. Bubby says, I am so honored to be the floor show for these ladies every evening while they've been visiting during this really weird time, huh? Yay!
Yeah.
Love you. I don't want you to go home. I love you. Everybody says hi. Bye. Love you. God bless. And God bless America.